Welcome back to Mama Weesie channel. So we up here this morning, early this morning. We making moves. And as you can see in the background, our first stop is McDonald's. So yeah, we at McDonald's getting us some breakfast before we get because where we got to go at is like an hour drive. So we on our way heading down to where we got to go. So y'all stay tuned. I don't know if I'm gonna have service on my phone because you know we in the country area. So y'all stay tuned, okay? And then for us to have a mask on, he probably said, come on, right there.
Merch. Y'all being a little sketchy because I would have been noticed that y'all was here because why y'all calling me? No, I called because I know today the funeral before it start. And I said my condolences. And I don't know what to say anyway, so I don't say nothing.
All right, y'all, this is our first eat out spot. Me and the girls are about to eat some Captain D's. Comment down below and let me know if have y'all ate any Captain D's before. So we about to walk inside to see what it's all about in here. You know I'm very picky when it comes down to eating out. Picky. So I want y'all to stay tuned. I'll show y'all what all we got once we come out and go to our apartments, okay? All right. So y'all, now we're sitting here waiting for our food. We ordered a lot. I can't wait to show y'all what we ordered. So y'all stay tuned, okay? Y'all, I want y'all to excuse me for the way my appearance look from my eyes and everything else. My face all sweaty and everything because I've been in the sun all day. So yeah, I'll give y'all an update on, you know, what happened, what brought me to Alabama. I'll give y'all updates. I want y'all to stay tuned to listen for my update, okay? Okay, y'all. I'm home. I'm a different person, y'all see? So now I'm about to show y'all what all I got from Captain D's. Got some extra shrimps. Oops, one drop. Eat it. And then got some fish, some shrimp, hush puppies, some fries, and then in this container, I have broccoli. Everybody else already ate their food. My daughter, she had shrimps. Oh, she had the spicy shrimp spicy fish. Oh, correction, spicy fish combo with shrimps and all that. And my daughter, she's over here smacking the baby girl. She has fried okra, fries, a roll, and some rice. She went all out. She went all out, y'all. Some rice, some shrimp on a what they call it, hibachi. It's a hibachi shrimp. But yeah, and then she got some baked fish. Shrimp on the Barbie. Well, you hear her, y'all? So yeah, I told you turn that. I don't need that in my background.
You done taught me that?
I have to turn it down to me. Shrimp on the yeah, she talking about shrimp on the Barbie, like y'all. So yeah, so I just wanted to come on and show y'all what all I got from Captain D's. What I got from Captain D's. And also for my drink, I got some cereal. Yes. So I'm gonna smash this up, and then I'll be back with y'all. But if not, y'all have a good night, okay? Mwah. Y'all, have y'all ever had garlic shrimps? This was just as it tastes good, y'all. If y'all haven't from Captain D's, if you got Captain D's in your area, go. If y'all got Captain D's in your area, go try the garlic shrimps. It tastes good. With some cocktail sauce. Oh my god. It's to die for, y'all. It's to die for. Cocktail sauce on fries. Can't beat it, y'all. I just wanted to come on and share that with y'all, okay? All right. Good morning, my Queens Nation. Welcome back to my channel. So this morning we are out. It's 3:06 in the morning, our Alabama time, and it's 4:06 my time back home. So I'm over here. As y'all can see in my background, we are at the airport. I'm dropping my daughter off to go back home. And yeah, and I'm out here. She got me out here at 3:06 in the morning, y'all. I'm up. I need my sleep. I am tired. So, but yeah, we're gonna, after I drop her off, we're gonna get our day sorted, and I'm gonna be bringing y'all along. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all a little scenery of Alabama. So, are y'all ready to come on with me? Let's go. Hey, y'all. Pick up my daughter. We got some TSA people walking in so we can get started to go to work. But yeah. And there go. Ooh. There go my daughter. This is how it looks in the inside of Alabama airport. I just see a little bit of something. You know, this is what it looked like. Got the little parking lot over there. Yeah, y'all saw it when I came early to pick her up. So yeah, and there she go right there. She's going inside to get her. She's going back so she can go to Rock. All right. See now, airports. Oh, TSA right there, right closer. You see her? Oh, she not going through.
Yeah.
Huh? You see her?
No.
The gate ain't open.
Should have gave her a wheelchair.
Yeah. What's wrong with she at? Oh, okay. So looks like seeing y'all. Valet parking right here. Okay. That big old building up there, y'all. Was a sightseeing of the city. So dark over there. Yeah. Okay, we are out of the airport. Yeah. What you say, brother?
Video.
What about you?
Anything like.
So yeah. You forgot funeral and all that going on?
You cried?
Yeah.
Yeah. Destiny, I came to visit you and thought I could have bought some products, but your place is closed. Oh my, I'm so disappointed. Since I've been in Alabama, came to Alabama, I say, okay, let me go to Manani's, I hope I'm saying it right, to get me some products. And you're no longer there, girl. Oh my God. Ah. Madani, what happened? What happened? Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. I thought sure I was going to be walking in to get me some, check the place out, get me some things, what I needed. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Oh, well. Okay, next time, there's some nice chandeliers still hanging up there, girl. Man. I hope you reopen. Okay. Y'all, look where I'm at. Oh my goodness. Look at the brothers. Oh wow. I can't believe it, y'all. I made it. I made it to Huntsville. And I was looking at the brothers. Oh my God. Look at there. Uptown. Oh Jesus. I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry. You need the window and all that now today. Yeah, y'all know every time we come to a new city, new town, we have to stop inside the Walmart, right? So that's what we going at right now, inside the Walmart. She got to check out every Walmart store in Alabama, y'all. So
Every Walmart store in Alabama.
yeah, so we're walking on in now. What are you looking for, Bucky? You gotta walk inside, probably. Oh my God. Look at the friend. He's over there on the clothing section. Oh all my ladies who are still watching at this point, y'all already know who this is. Yes, this Love and Marriage Huntsville. This is all we got. Came to Walmart for junk. For junk. And then I have to get my little cookies, my Oreos. Let me say Oreos. I mean, Chips Ahoy cookie. And then my daughter got some more drinks. I'm showing y'all now. We have stuff. Y'all don't mind the tissues. But we got these drinks. That's it. We got that deodorant. If y'all have tasted that, if y'all had tasted that drink before, I want y'all to comment down below and let me know if y'all have tasted and what flavor did y'all have, okay? So comment. I'll be waiting. Y'all don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm out. Mwah.